You've just landed a sweet gig, or maybe you've sold something online. The money's in your account, but you're itching to spend it. The question is, how long will it take Monzo to process that cash? Let's dive in. Now, Monzo is known for its speed. It's one of the reasons people love it. But speed can be relative, especially when it comes to money. So, let's break it down. First up, we're talking about incoming payments. If someone transfers money directly to your Monzo account, chances are you'll see it almost instantly. Like, seriously, it could be there in seconds. It's Monzo's magic, and it's pretty impressive. But, there's a catch. Sometimes, the bank sending the money might need to do some extra checks. This can slow things down a bit. We're talking a few hours, maybe even a day. It's frustrating, but it happens. Now, what about outgoing payments? Let's say you want to pay a friend back or grab that new pair of sneakers. Again, Monzo is pretty speedy. Most payments go through instantly, but there are exceptions. For example, if you're sending money abroad, it might take a bit longer. And if you're dealing with a particularly slow bank on the receiving end, well, you might have to wait a bit. But here's the thing, Monzo is transparent about this. They'll give you an estimate of how long a payment will take. So, keep an eye on that. Okay, let's talk about another common question. How long does it take for a Monzo card to arrive? Well, that depends. When you first sign up, it can take a few days. But if you're replacing a lost or damaged card, it could be quicker. Now, what about those pesky pending transactions? You know, those ones that show up as pending and then disappear? Well, this usually happens when a business wants to authorize a payment. It's like placing a hold on your money. Most of the time, the money will be released within a few days, but sometimes it can take longer. So, to sum it up, Monzo is generally pretty fast when it comes to processing payments. But there are factors that can influence how long it takes. The best thing to do is to keep an eye on your account and the information Monzo provides. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.